Ah!
He needs some milk.
Okay guys, so welcome to my channel. Probably shouldn't talk that loud because my mom, my dad, and my brother are downstairs. And I came upstairs and I currently don't have my phone because I don't get my phones on the weekends because I use it too much and my parents don't want me on my phone all the time. So okay, the prank that I plan to do on my mom is the honk at this car prank. Boom boom boom, you know, make sure it's on there, and then hopefully cars participate in my prank. I got my hair cut, it's so short. Wish me good luck. Make sure you like this video. Okay, so this is gonna be a drive with me, my mom, and Katrina. So yeah. Okay guys, so my prank failed. Okay, so I'll show you guys basically what just went down. So what was like, okay, Wendy, let's go into the PO box.
We better to park like in front of where she always does because she wouldn't go.
I know.
She wouldn't go just straight.
So basically my mom got out of the car and wow, look at, okay, you know what, you can just see for yourself. So it says honk at this car. Maybe people couldn't read it.
Yeah, I think you would have to be bigger, like a whole like.
No, se lee muy bien. What is your point? What do you want me to do?
To react like, ah!
Why
Why are people honking at me? You know? This prank is like,
Okay, well at least like maybe one person honking will get them started. Like be like, oh, okay.
yeah. Well, there's no point because my mom already knows.
Yeah.
Like, how do those people back there not see?
They see Wendy, but no lo hacen.
Well, why? They're boring. I got it on camera! Ah! Thank you! Shout out to him, the guy in the orange truck. If you're watching this, make sure you share this with 5 friends.
¿Lo pusiste?
That's his car, guys. You can't see his license plate, so it's fine. Shout out to the person. If that's your dad, shout out to him. If that's your uncle, shout out to him. So guys, we're in Target now. No, we're in Walmart. She lied.
Yeah.
Are you bougie like that? Are you gonna get this one?
Ew, it smells like plastic.
It smells like air to me.
Air.
Okay, well, we're in the home decor section now.
Oh look, there's a big ass spider.
Did you just curse in my video? Katrina is not a holy child. I'm not gonna put that in
That
my
is
video.
not a bad word. It is not a bad word. Guys, comment down below if ass is a bad word.
It's not a bad word. Do you say that in front of your mom?
Yes.
No, you do not.
But keep filming, but keep filming yourself and talk. Like, just start talking.
Okay, conclusion. Katrina is actually so crazy. Wait.
What did you think was gonna happen?
I don't know.
Like, autistic. Why am I still holding this neck? Okay, bye. She cut her hair if you didn't notice. So yeah. Hey guys, so welcome back to my mall, my house. Over there is where I pee.
Wait,
Target.
I want to watch the footage where I fell. Okay, so thank you guys for watching this video. If you made it to the end, make sure you share with 3 or 5 friends. It doesn't really matter. And comment down below when you're done for a shout out in the next video. Bye, amigos.